Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to connect Wix to Zapier in 2026. Want to automate tasks on your Wix site without coding? Zapier makes it easy, so let's connect it just by following these few simple steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is to create a Zapier account. And to do that, you're going to go to zapier.com and make sure to sign in or create an account by using your Google account or your Zapier account. Then you're going to choose your role. For example, I'm going to choose engineering. You're going to choose your company size. For example, I'm just going to choose a small one. You're going to choose the apps you use like this. I'm going to choose this one right here, like Notion. And then you can click on continue. After that, you're going to set up your Zapier account. Once you set up your Zapier account, the second thing to do is to open the Wix website or dashboard. You can do that by going to manage.wix.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you do that, you're going to click on settings from the left side. And then you're going to scroll all the way down until you find developer tools. Now let's look for developer tools here. As you can see here, we're gonna are gonna find this in the development or custom code, as you can see, and then or we can search for it in the search bar. I'm gonna search for it here, developer tools. Let's see if this option exists. Now we're just gonna click on add a custom code, just like this. Here you're gonna enable the automation. You're gonna go to automations. Let's go to automations. Right here, we're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on automations, and you're going to enable them. You're going to set up the automations and enable them. You can create ones like this, create an automation. Then you're going to make sure automations are enabled, and once that, you're going to connect Wix in Zapier. Now in Zapier, we're going to click on create Zap, just like this. Click on the Zap option, and then choose Wix automations or Wix, and then sign in with your Wix account and allow permissions. Also choose a trigger and choose an action, then test and turn on the Zap. And also make sure to use automations, not manual webhooks, and test every Zap before turning it on. And free Zapier plans have limits. Make sure to pay if you want, no limits. And that's it. Wix now is connected to Zapier. Feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.